Hi guys, now I'm going to show you how to use the Flipgrid. So the cool thing about Flipgrid is it's right embedded on your One Notebook. So all you have to do is hit login. We obviously are always going to choose Microsoft because you guys have the Microsoft accounts and the Microsoft emails. So I'm hitting login with Microsoft. I'm coming over here where it says my login. It was successful, and here I am at the page. So you can kind of make it full screen if you need to, but I'm just going to use this. So it says, welcome to our children's book Flipgrid. Tap the green plus below to open the Flipgrid camera. Then record yourself reading your completed children's book. Speak clearly and read with expression. You got this. Be the author you were made to be. So I'm going to come down. I'm going to hit the big green. I'm going to let it say allow to use my camera. Okay, so the reason it's not letting me do an actual recording right now is because I'm doing a Flipgrid recording a screencast recording. So you're going to have a little bit of trouble, but you get the point where all you would have to do is read through the book. And I think that's simple enough. And I'll make sure I leave an example on there so you guys can see it. So this is a nice and quick one. You guys know how to use Flipgrid. The only thing about Flipgrid is you need to have the whole book completed before you read it. So you might want to do pages 1 through 4 on Monday and the next couple pages on Tuesday. So by Friday, you're ready to sit and read the entire book. All right. Thanks, guys.